we got the Galloping Ghost. We're gonna give it another try. We got all new servos. It burned out everything on the last setup where we burned out the ESC and the motor. It actually burned out every piece of electronics within. So now we got all new stuff, new motor, new everything, and we put hand launch assist on it. So let's see what we can do. Turn the knob down, Larry.
Perfect. I didn't do much. It climbed by, it went by itself.
So the hand launch assist, it felt like it took the bird straight up instead of usually when they come down on you, huh? Oh, you still got too much.
I think I did it all the way down.
No, you did all the way up.
Oh, okay. Looks like you got safe in here.
Yeah, click it off. You know the button. There you go. Hand launch assist is part of safe, so you know that's where I had it set up at. I think you might be able to configure it to whatever place you want to put it on. Go ahead, man. Give it a full throttle. Let's see if it'll hold it. Oh, well, trim it first, I guess. Oh, yeah, it could be. The thrust angle could be off because they had two small washers underneath it, but that didn't look like it was enough. It looks impressive. Looks like it's moving. Oh, that wasn't full throttle? Oh, I'm about to say, dang. No.
It looks better than V900, I think.
It does. It looks way better. That P51 body style makes it look so much better.
That is fuel?
Yeah. I don't know how long we can run though, because you know, new setup. So I guess check his timer for him, Mr. Larry, and see how many minutes that is. I said it was set for 5, which is maybe too much for a speed run like this. But we'll see what it do. If it burn up, it just burn up again.
What do you want it to do?
Do whatever you want to do. Fly it like Paulie fly.
Nice, oh, got some rudder. Oh my goodness.
That is nice for a P51. Wow.
Got some rudder. Outside turn. This is where the blood goes to the eyeball.
Make your blood rush. Let's see if I can see the time.
Come down.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but on the camera we had about 3 minutes and something.
Track's good. I like the way it tracks.
Like I said, it's one of the few times I saw you fly a bird that you had fun with until it burned up. So.
Ground support. Ground support. Stay close.
Beautiful.
How can you see a Mustang turn that tight?
I don't have any expo or anything in it. It's probably wide open, to be honest with you. It moves and it looks good. Wow. Cooking. That thing moves. It looks better than the V900. It does. It does. That body style is sexy compared to the V900. Look like a little hawk or something.
And it's easier to fly.
Maybe. Nice.
You know, maybe it is. It's even lighter.
Yeah.
That's why it goes so fast. In the sun.
Oh.
Not good.
Blind everybody.
Let's see if it's green light.
All right, we probably should take it in now. I don't know how we doing, but
Which way? Doesn't matter.
yeah, it's gonna be hard to
Coming in your face. Coming to us.
coming straight to our face. So if you want to do anything, it'll be coming from behind.
He trying to get that parking spot from you right there. He want to work on the track and shit.
No motor.
Oh yeah, you good.
Gliding on in. Look at that. That is so sweet. Nice. We have gotten away from any hopes of taking off on the runway. And this, I just love that silhouette. I mean, I just want to see this thing fly so bad. So we're going to hand launch this and then see what's what. If it crashes and burns, I've went through so much with this bird already that I'm just disgusted. So it is what it is.
Like go straight. I mean, a level.
Yeah, I felt it. I felt it come out of my hand.
It's flying, folks. The Blue Angel F-18 flies. And Paulie's already going crazy with it. It must fly good.
So hand launch it is.
Hand launch it is.
Was that full throttle?
No.
Look at how poised and comfortable.
Oh yeah. You need upstream, I guess.
That is a beautiful silhouette.
Right.
I don't think you got it on there. But you're doing it. You're doing it if you trimming it.
Is there sound? Is it supposed to be sound?
No, he don't make. His don't make no noise, huh, Luke?
What?
For the trim.
It should.
Oh yeah, yeah.
If the volume's all the way down, it won't make noise. The volume is on the right knob.
Slider.
The slider, the right slider.
It's working. It's
The 64mm F-18 Blue Angel E-Flight in the air. Finally, no gear. Really, I could have ended the video right after the hand toss. The rest is just for your enjoyment. Now he's doing a cameraman pass. At high alpha as well, seems like. We do have a nasty wind coming in from the cross there, what he was just nosing into. Doesn't look like it's the most comfortable upside down circle flyer, but it's doing it. Yeah, kind of spun out of control there, but recovered. So hey, all's well that ends well. So I did outfit this with hand launch assist. So perhaps that was part of that good takeoff, and maybe I might have to rethink my whole hating hand launching thing, because that'll be the only way I can fly this bird is hand launching, it looks like. So I just could not get the landing gear on the nose to cooperate.
We'll take it. What's the time on the radio? 5 minutes?
3 minutes should be.
That's beeping. I'm not used to your long stick on the radio. When I turn, I keep pulling up too much.
Oh yeah, the sensitivity is definitely up when you short. You're getting way too much on mine. So let me step back so I'm not in the pilot's way. Get low. Look like he's coming in.
Oh, too much high alpha.
Had too much speed there.
It's alright, it's alright.
we did a lovely skid on the runway. All right, FA-18 Blue Angel E-Flight. It flies. I don't see many of these on YouTube. It's an older bird, and I got it used. And hey, it flies. Thanks for watching.